What's good, gang? It's been a minute since y'all seen my face, but I'm back to the weekly uploads. Make sure to stick around for some more vibes, tutorials. I'm in a position now, a lot of stuff is going on, so I apologize for not uploading for so long. But anyways, I'm back just to enjoy music with you guys. It's going to be much different, I think, from here on now. I want to inspire you guys more beside than just making beats. I want to teach you guys how to make great music, but also how to make money, how to elevate yourself, and how to get to that next level. So let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in that. But then again, I'm here to like always spread love, motivation, and we got a new setup. I don't know how many times I said that, but anyways, let's just cook up, vibe, and enjoy making beats, bro. So let's get it. Okay, that's a nice little start. We're working in F sharp minor right here. Got this nice little preset from Electra. It's loaded up. Right now, I'm going to try to chop it, try to do something different with it, and add some top notes to it as well. That was nice, that was nice. I hope FL recorded this. Dumb score lock, last 2 minutes, merge, and boom, it's right here. That's crazy. Bro, I love this feature. This is one of my favorite features in FL Studio. Basically just did is I messed around on the piano, like on my keyboard right here. I didn't record it, but FL Studio has this feature underneath tools. If you didn't notice, dumb score lock, to select the pattern, last 2 minutes, and then whatever you play the last 2 minutes, it will dump it into the piano roll, which is awesome. It's going to be like something for in the background just to fill up that emptiness. What we're going to do is add a lot of reverb. I want to make it spacey, airy, and also cut some highs out of it because it was super harsh. Let's add a bass line to it, give it some more emotion. I'm just going to copy over the bass notes from the pattern right here. Paste it. Yeah. Yeah. She wanna buy it right, yeah. And it was something out, yeah. Oh, something like that. I'm onto something with this. Alright, let's copy this same top note over onto a one shot. And what I'm going to do with this is add some gliding notes in there. This is a really cool technique to do. And then I got this fire mixer preset that I've been saving up on. Like, I haven't showed you guys yet, but we're making this melody hella fast, this beat hella fast. I love type of beats like this because creativity is just coming and flowing, and ooh, I love this. Like 18 minutes in. Right here, all it needs is an 808. Pro tip, duplicate this, and what you do is just drag this 808 on there, so that way you don't have to redo this right here. Copy over, and we'll just add chops in there. Boom, boom. Right, add another one right here, and then copy that over. And I'm speed running this. Oh my days. Boom, 5 minutes left. Wow. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm just feeling up bad. Yeah, shit. Let me repeat that. Let me repeat that. She wanna beat that. She wanna get that. Yeah. Ah. Go crazy, go crazy. I was thinking about some lyrics, but I couldn't come up with some lyrics. The flow was hard though. The flow is hard. I might need to replay that and send it over to someone to make a song about. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys especially learned from this. This was, I don't know what this video was. This was just a fun fucking beat making session. I hope you are inspired. Hope you are opening your laptop right now and make some beats. But yeah, catch you guys in the next video.